How's it going? Welcome to Beer-Gineers. I'm Nick, and up for review. Very excited for this one. This is Daemon Engine, an 8.2% double IPA from the amazing Azvex, brewed with Nelson Sauvin, Motto Eggers Special. So we've got the little Eggers hops, little branding on there. So I learned this week from watching a review of this beer from Beardad, David Beardad, fair play to you, sir. Apparently Eggers Special is a varietal of Riwaka. And I've just reviewed a beer from Track called Yoke, which is heavy on the Eggers Special. So it's not, well, I've had it recently. I've been drinking it, well, I've had it in beers, a couple of beers in the past sort of month. But like I say, it's a minor addition to this one. I'm guessing it's barley oats and wheat for Azvex. Barley oats and wheat it is. So my picture's been queered because I've already watched the review from Dave at Beardad's Beer Reviews. And what I'm really excited about was that, I mean, Azvex are in my top 5 breweries. They're really, really high. Their double IPAs are up there with the very, very best. What I'm excited about is my favourite thing is sort of like tropical citrus and then a bit of challenge at the end. And I get from what Dave was saying was that there's challenge to this. He's got a slightly broader palate than me in terms of he goes for some of the sweeter stuff, but I'll be very, very surprised if this isn't amazing. Oh, come on. Now that looks the bollocks. It's hazy. I mean, like I say, you've seen, if you're into sort of craft beer, then you'll have seen and drank lots of these. So it's very hazy. It's thick. I've seen thicker. Yeah, I've seen thicker Azvex, but one thing I've noticed about Azvex is that they use a very sort of light malt. So their beers are very pale. Although that's comparable to a Verdant or a Track or something like that. You wouldn't know it was an Azvex just by looking at it. Nose. Oh, I'm getting dank off that. Can I give a... Now this is going to sound really weird. Have you ever walked down an alleyway where people walk dogs and dogs are going to cock their leg? I'm getting faint dog piss off that. But now you're going to go, oh my God, run a mile. It's resonating. I know this is going to be good. Herbal. Yeah, it's. I don't know how to describe that properly. Bit of citrus, but there is like a herbal, almost sort of unpleasant sort of dankness about that. I can't quite place it. Slightly savoury, but they're not. It's not like a savoury dank like you get off Verdant and Daya. Can't place it. So the nose is, I can't work it out. Let's go for it. Let's dive in. Chin chin. Okay, so bits of citrus, bits of tropical, bits of bitter. There is a challenge at the end, which I like. Yeah, it's savoury. So it's reminiscent of Verdance. So it's not like I wouldn't guess this was an Azvex beer, to be honest. That bit of savoury at the back. Maybe that's coming from the I don't know where it's coming from. Yeah, but it's not a strong savoury, but there's definite. Oh, what I like about this beer is that it's medium body, it's smooth. The sweetness is bang on, so it's not a syrupy, sickly double IPA. That is danger juice, because the sweetness is very low, and the bitterness at the end is significant, which means you're going to be constantly coming back for it. No alcohol at all. I've left it. Normally, at this point, I'm getting warmth down there. I'm not getting anything. Not that I mind that. I like to know I've been spoken to. I'm not getting that. I'll probably get it if I left it long enough. Okay, so it's very, very good. It's not as good as some of the double IPAs I've had. Just looking the Wall of Fame. Swedish Buzzsaw. That was one of the best double IPAs I've ever had. It's not as good as that. It's not as good as... Where is it? Can't see it. It's not as good as Battle Swans. Yeah, so slightly disappointed because it's... I don't know. It's good. I'm giving it 8 out of 10. But I thought this was going to be a 9 out of 10, you know, coming into it. But nevertheless, Azvex remain in my top 5, in my top 4 breweries. They're amazing. And considering how long they've been going, it's incredible. Yeah, so 8 out of 10 for I think that's pronounced Daemon engine. Their artwork is amazing. I think Dave from Beardad's Beer Reviews said how good their artwork is, and it is spectacular. 8 out of 10. Another really, really good double IPA from Azvex. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Cheers.